Looking for the best treadmill for runners? In this video, we've selected the top treadmills that deliver powerful performance, smooth speed control, excellent cushioning, and reliable durability. Whether you're training for your next race or improving your daily fitness, these treadmills are built to support every stride. Watch until the end to find the perfect treadmill for your running goals. Number 1. Assault Runner Pro. Looking for a treadmill to keep your running workouts going all year, yet don't have an outlet to spare to power the motor? The Assault Runner Pro requires zero electricity, so you're in total control of how fast the belt moves. Our expert reviewer Amanda Caprito noted how this manual treadmill can promote good form. Additionally, running on a manual treadmill can be even more of a workout than sessions atop a motorized model. Studies indicate that running on a self-powered treadmill can lead to higher caloric burn than running the same distance and speed on a motorized unit. According to our tester, a CrossFit Level 1 instructor, there is some skill involved when getting the slatted belt to revolve, so don't expect to step right into a workout. Additionally, we rated the Assault Runner Pro a 4 out of 5 for the included technology across the front console. While you won't find a large display capable of streaming your favorite programs and shows, the on-unit module does a great job of giving you accurate readings in a number of categories. Even when training under direct sunlight, we were able to track our distance, speed, calories, time, and watts throughout our workouts. We also appreciate this Assault Runner Pro because it's surprisingly portable, rating it a 4.4 out of 5 for the category. After all, you don't need to have access to an outlet to power the machine, so you're capable of rolling the entire unit out into your driveway for some under-the-sun training. The hefty 280-pound weight of this treadmill may be a challenge for some, but the option is there, nonetheless. Number 2. Proform Pro 9000. Running indoors doesn't leave much to the imagination. After all, you're pacing in the same location for long durations, which can begin to weigh on your enthusiasm for training. However, our expert reviewer says that, with IFIT's library of more than 17,000 cardio, strength, and mobility classes streaming on the crystal-clear 22-inch touchscreen, you won't be lacking for engaging workouts. Despite the potential connection issues, there are still a good bit of conveniences across the center console. We rated this machine a 5 out of 5 for the category thanks to the abundance of storage compartments, as well as the integrated Bluetooth speakers and cooling fan. Meyer also pointed out the inclusion of a safety stop button, which can be an excellent safety feature to have on hand while, say, tackling a top speed or pushing yourself past previous limits. What isn't convenient, however, is its portability, which we scored at 3.5 out of 5. The deck does fold for more convenient storage, and there are front wheels at the base, but according to Meyer, they aren't the most useful additions to the design. She noted that you slide the treadmill into position more so than roll it. Plus, when trying to get this treadmill across carpeted flooring, Meyer noted that the front tends to grab the material and bunch up. Number 3. Stera Fitness TRX 3500. This heavy-duty treadmill offers 30 programmed workouts and customizable options to challenge your fitness level. It also offers preset speed and incline buttons to make workout transitions easier. The display screen reports your pulse, distance, and the number of calories burned. Other notable features include a heart rate receiver, hand grip pulse sensors, and holders for keeping accessories within reach. It's also Bluetooth enabled so you can connect with your favorite workout apps. A 6.5-inch bright blue LCD display with 30 preset programs offers variety to your workout, while Bluetooth FTMS capabilities allow users to get the ultimate workout by connecting to popular third-party apps. Handlebar-mounted speed and incline controls, XTRA soft deck cushioning, reading rack, built-in fan, and cup holders provide users with exceptional comfort and convenience, making workouts longer and more enjoyable. Built with all athletes and spaces in mind, the large 20-inch by 60-inch belt and 350 pounds user weight limit accommodates a wide range of users. While the lift assist, safe drop, and transport wheels help you safely and easily store the treadmill away when not in use. Number 4. 3G Cardio Elite. You can also easily adjust the speed and elevation settings to make your run even more challenging. Serious runners will appreciate the treadmill's sturdy design, thick belt, and shock suspension system, all of which allow you to run quietly and comfortably. Additionally, the treadmill boasts an oversized running platform for extra room to move, and many customers report that the company offers excellent customer service. Best-in-class deck and belt Elite Runner provides a commercial OrthoFlex shock suspension system and an oversized 22x62 running platform. Plenty of horses under the hood. Club rated for 0 HP motor and 386 pounds of muscle under your feet. Elite Runner treadmill motor is covered for the life of the treadmill. Number 5. LawnTech Treadmill. The LawnTech treadmills for home can adjust the auto incline 2% to 20% with just one touch. The auto incline treadmill built-in 20 preset programs simulate outdoor training, which is suitable for walking, jogging and HIIT workouts, helping user lose fat faster and shape user's legs and core effectively. The LawnTech Fitness Treadmill with 3.5 HP quiet brushless motor runs under 45 dB and it's very quiet both day and night. The running machine for home won't bother user's family, roommates or neighbors while user work out. The treadmill with incline for home supports up to 400 pounds and has dual deck construction, 6 silicone shock absorbers, 7-layer shock absorbing deck to better protect user's knees and joints. The LawnTech folding incline treadmill folds fully in seconds for effortless storage. With folded dimensions of only 50 inches by 25 inches by 6.5 inches, the running treadmill can be conveniently stored under sofa, bed or closet, which helps save much space in user's home or office. The LawnTech treadmill has a 16.2 inches by 42.5 inches extra wide running belt with non-slip diamond texture and speed adjustable from 0.6 to 8.7 miles per hour. Portable treadmill fits fitness beginners, pros, and every member of user's family. The auto incline treadmills for home has an integrated heart rate sensor allows real-time monitoring.
Thank you for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.